What were you saying?
Little bites.
Little bites? Say it again. Dada wants to hear. No, I'm sorry. Dada's not here. But can you say little bites, little bites, little bites?
Little bites.
Mmm.
Little bites. Little bites. Little bites. Little bites. Little bites.
That's right.
Little bites.
Little bites.
Little bites.
Is it yummy? Oh, yeah? Little bites? All right, blow Dada a kiss and say, I love you. Mwah. Bye, Dada. See you soon.